Hey everybody, just wanted to share with you this 1956 Ford F100. The customer brought this to us with a modified S10 chassis, a small block Chevy under the hood, and it was okay, but it was time to change it back to all Ford drivetrain. So we installed the customer supplied Spraker chassis underneath it. That chassis came with a Coyote engine in it and a 6R80. We got it all hooked up, everything running, got the air conditioning together, and got her driving again. So we hope you enjoy this look at this 1956 F100.